Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Today I've got the video for the card I made for the colour combo blog hop, and the colours this month were Rococo Rose, Daffodil Delight and Coastal Cabana. And I struggled to think of something, and I made a card using just some ink, a bit of masking and a bit of ribbon, and I sort of looked at it and I went, I don't really like it, so I decided I'd make another one because that's how I roll. So I'm going to do this very simple. I'm going to use a few punches. So I've got the medium daisy punch, and I've got our rectangle postage stamp. I'm going to use some of our note cards. I was thinking, we've just headed back into lockdown, started today, the day I'm filming, which is obviously not the day you're watching this. And so I thought there are lots of people now I'll be wanting to send cards to again, like I did right at the beginning of the March lockdown. And I thought, oh, it'd be nice to just do something quick and simple, but pretty. And these little note cards and envelopes are perfect for that. You get 20 in a packet, and just absolutely perfect for a nice little card, not too small, and you know, great value. So my idea was, I'm going to use these ones, I think, is I'm going to create a flower. So I'm going to use the Rococo Rose, and I'm just going to punch little medium daisy. I like my flowers to have two to fill it out and curl nicely. And then for the centre, if you've got our little 1/2 inch circle punch or any other sort of little circle punch, that's perfect. We don't sell these anymore, so I was sitting there thinking I must have something that I could use instead, and I do. So I've got this set here, which I can't remember what it's called, Playful Alphabet Dies. So we've got the whole alphabet, some punctuation marks, we've got a hashtag. I was with my sister at the weekend, she went, oh look, it says D, that's her name. And we've got numbers and sums, and so I've taken the O and I've cut it out, and the middle of the O would make a nice flower centre. So got an O there for something else. So that was my thoughts. I say, I just like to make it with things that you could buy if you wanted to. And then I'm going to use my postage stamp, punch and punch rectangle of this. I'm keeping it so that all the patterns of the paper are the same. So I want to do a little bit of curling on my flowers. I've got a bit of a sponge sponge going on there. Where's my little, oh, I was using it just now. My little pokey tool. Is it in my pot? Not in my pot. Where is it? There we go. I use our old pokey tool. Anything with a nice sort of round head, and I just stroke from the outside to the inside, and it curls up like a spider that you've rinsed down the plug hole. And then I do one the other way. Like so, and it just gives the flower some nice life. And then for my little O centre, I just go round and around in a circle, and then it curves up nicely. So you get a bit of bow in there. and that's what I like. And then gonna get some dimensionals, so we're going to glue I haven't used that for a while, so I'm going to put a bit of glue in the center of this flower here, like so. Turn this one round and feed it down so the petals go in between the other petals, and squash it together. Like so. Might have had a little bit too much glue on there. And then I'm going to put a dimensional. These actual, do I need a little dimensional as opposed to a big fat one? Oh no, they'll probably be all right. No, I will use a little mini one. Let's get it out. So put a little mini dimensional in there, so that helps that shape that we've just developed, we've helped that sort of stay up. And then what I like to do is this end here of our pick a tool thing, I just press it down a little bit, so it gives it some more life, and then stick that in the middle. Oh, it will stick. You will stick. I am the boss. There we go. So that's our little flower. So I think that little inside of an O works really well. And then, I'm not sure if I burnished this. So then my idea was, we're going to just have that there, have that on the corner, and then I'm going to stamp just a little message. And the message I'm going for is from the new Quite Curvy. And we've got a little hello, and I do like just sometimes just writing hello. This is the new set, so it comes in a bundle with the curvy dies, and they're the new pre-release that are available. So all the links to my shop will be there down below, or if you go to the blog post for this, you'll find them all listed there, and you can go straight to my shop, and I will be delighted if you choose to shop with me. So there we go. I'm just going to stick that in the corner there. I can see through it, which is marvellous. And there we go, a nice little hello, just right for just sending people right now who might be on their own, and you just want to let them know that you are thinking of them. So a bit of glue on the back of that. Sticking that on there. And then I'm going to put the flower up there. Just really, really simple. Oh, did I take the... I did. I'll stick it back on when it's in place. Flower up there. Maybe didn't push hard enough. Don't want to push on my nail. There we go. And that is a very quick, simple little card. Perfect to put in the post to somebody to let them know you're thinking of them. So hope you like that. Hope you, if you didn't go on the blog, then there'll be a link down below to this blog post, and I will link to the actual blog hop as well, so you go and see what everybody else has done. I'll say I did do another hello card, but I prefer this one. Okay, see you again soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you again with my next project. Bye for now.